Hi guys and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. I've got another video for you guys, which is a review video wherein I go ahead and try on the products for you first, and then I go ahead and make this review video for you guys so that you can see how the packaging looks like, what the price is like, and how it works. In this review video, I go ahead and give you my individual opinion as in how I liked it, so that it becomes easy for you to decide whether you want to pick that product or not. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Product that I've got for review is a hair care range which is from Wishcare. It is an Indian brand. These are the products that I got from Wishcare, and this is Wishcare You Wish We Care. So the first product here we have is a fermented rice hair oil. The second we have is a fermented rice water shampoo, and then a conditioner. First product that I'm going to talk to you about is this one, which is the hair oil, and this is how the packaging looks like. It is a plastic bottle, and the size that you get is 200 ml of product. So all their products are value for money. All their products are chemical free, sulfate free. This one is a fermented rice hair oil, which is enriched with vitamin E, coconut oil, argan oil, and rosemary oil. So once you apply that, it kind of smells like a eucalyptus oil, in the beginning, but then you start getting the other fragrances of coconut oil and everything. It's a very soothing oil, and it says it is for strength and growth formula. I opted for this strength and growth formula because I also have my hair falling these days, so I thought I will go ahead and give this one a try. They do have different ranges as well. I will link where you can buy the products from, and there you can also check the entire range available so that you can decide their products depending on your hair type. So this one, it says free from mineral oil, non-sticky and non-greasy, 100% natural oil. So a regular use of this oil can help you stimulate growth, and also it can make your hair stronger. The best part is that it is not greasy, it is not sticky, so I can leave it for a little longer than the usual coconut oil and everything, and it comes off easily as well. It doesn't leave that oily texture, especially here at the back of the hair. And this comes with this nozzle on the top, so this is how it looks like. This is where you can just take this one off, and just like this, and then you can put this one on, and when you squeeze it, when you tilt it and squeeze it, the oil will come out of here. The application becomes much easier. So yes, this is the nozzle it comes with. So this is the scalp applicator. It says use scalp applicator to dispense oil directly to scalp and gently massage over hair, scalp in a circular motion. So I am using this before I shampoo my hair, maybe like an hour or 2 hours before it's good to go. It is made from 100% natural oils and is free from any harmful chemicals and mineral oils. Oils used in this formulation are extracted from cold press techniques, which keeps the nutrient contents of the oil intact. This oil is enriched with rosemary oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and other natural oil, which nourishes hair follicles and restores nutrients. This formulation is uniquely made to provide strength and promote hair growth so that you can have your best hair day every day. But again, like, I applied it twice a week. You do yourself, you see how many times you can wash. Like, I have friends who even wash hair every day, so yes, in that case you can, but I don't think nobody has that much of time in hand. Maybe these days during lockdown, yes, but yeah. So this was the first product. Let's go ahead and dive into the shampoo. Now the second product that we have is this one, which is the Wishcare Fermented Rice Water Shampoo for Strength and Growth Booster. And it says it is free from sulfates and parabens, if you guys know. So you can find sulfates if you look the details for detergents and everything. So it is the one because of which you get a lot of lather when you go ahead and wash your hair. Just make sure that you know that it is not going to lather so much. So don't get worried about that, because any sulfate free shampoo, you will not get a lot of lather when you go ahead and wash your hair. So that is the reason why it is good for your hair as well. So it says it is a mild shampoo, which yes it is. Like I said, it will not lather a lot, so don't even oil your hair so much, because then it won't lather and the oil won't come out. So yes, if you're using a different oil, this one does come out with this shampoo, because it is like a complete kit. So yes, so this one is a mild shampoo formulated to promote growth, strength and thickness of your hair. It also helps in restoring natural elasticity and shine to your hair through gentle cleansing and deep conditioning, infused with benefits of fermented rice water and natural ingredients. So yes, it definitely, like when you will wash your hair with this shampoo, it definitely leaves it very soft. The quantity that you get is 300 ml of product. So yes, this was about the shampoo. Let's go ahead and jump into the conditioner. Alright guys, now the last product that I have here from Wishcare is this, which is the fermented rice water conditioner. Again, the strength and the growth booster one, and it says it is free from sulfates, parabens and silicone. And again, this is also 300 ml of product that you get. And now it says for the conditioner, it is formulated to promote growth, strength and thickness of your hair. It also helps in restoring natural elasticity and shine to your hair by providing intensive conditioning. Infused with benefits of fermented rice water and other natural ingredients, our conditioner is free from any harmful chemicals. Therefore, it helps in restoring your hair naturally. Wishcare promises you the best hair day every day. So yes, so that was all about the conditioner. You can apply that from the end to your scalp and just leave the scalp a little bit. If you have very dry scalp, is only when I would suggest you to go ahead and apply the conditioner on the scalp. But if you do not have a dry scalp, then I will not recommend you to apply that on the scalp. You can just apply it on your remaining hair. So that is about the last product that I have from their fermented rice water kit. It was the oil, shampoo and conditioner. You can use these three together for an excellent result. Now if you talk about this brand, it is an Indian brand. Products are available on the e-commerce platforms. I'm going to link that in the description box so that it becomes easy for you to find them out. This is a very mild formula, free from any harsh chemicals. So you can go for it, especially for the colored hair, or if you have treated hair, then it is going to be a very good choice that you can go for. Alright guys, so that was all about the Wishcare products that I have here. So I would definitely and highly recommend you guys to go ahead and try this out. And if you guys end up trying it, do let me know in the comment section down below if you guys liked it and which one did you select it, because like I said, it's not just the fermented rice water that they have other ranges as well that you can select depending on your hair type and your need. So yes, do leave a comment down below. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this review and this is going to be helpful for you. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one now.